Friends, brothers, sisters, and leaders in the making, let's start with a truth that's older than time and stronger than any force known to man. Your words have the power to shape your world. Before anything was visible, it was first spoken. Creation began with speech, not sight. You aren't here by mistake. You're not a random result of chance. You are here on purpose for a purpose, but that purpose doesn't activate itself. You must voice it into being. You can't step into a future you're afraid to speak out loud. Here's a shift that will transform your life. You don't speak because you already are. You speak until you become. Greatness is never born in applause. It is formed in the unseen places, declared with faith, long before it's proven with facts. David spoke of his victory while Goliath still stood. Joseph envisioned rulership while still in chains. Jesus declared his identity before he demonstrated it. Your words must travel to places your feet haven't yet reached. The issue many face is that we repeat current conditions instead of announcing coming change. We say we're tired, stuck, broke, or lost. But who authorized us to speak against what God has designed for us? Stop letting your present have the final say. Speak based on your purpose, not your problems. Every word you speak is a seed. It plants something into the soil of your life. That soil doesn't choose what to grow. It simply produces whatever is sown, whether it's hope or fear, success or scarcity. If you speak and nothing seems to change, speak again. If things get harder, speak louder. When doubt shows up, confront it with truth. Repeating your words doesn't make them weak. It makes you stronger. You don't speak because it's comfortable. You speak because it's essential. Many say they believe in their future, but their language betrays them. They speak more about failure than about faith. Your tongue directs your path. If you're unhappy with where life is going, start by examining your speech. Every time you say you're not good enough, you align with the lie. Every time you claim people like you never succeed, you're writing your own sentence. But here's the truth. You've been given power. Speak with authority. If you don't see it yet, say it anyway. If you don't feel it, declare it anyway. If you struggle to believe it, keep saying it. Faith isn't emotion, it's a force. One that gets released when you speak. Talk like your future is here. Speak like your promise is waiting on your arrival. You don't need a sign. Your words are the sign. You were made to thrive, not just survive. You were built to lead, not blend in. You were formed to transform your surroundings, not be shaped by them. But you can't lead with limited language. Speak like the person you were created to be. Keep declaring what God has said about you until that truth stares back at you in the mirror. The voice that holds the most influence in your life is your own. Others can motivate or mentor you, but it's your own words that move your inner being. If no one calls you chosen, you do it. If no one affirms your value, you speak it. Keep saying it until it becomes your reality. Speak it, believe it, live it, become it. Your mouth doesn't reflect your current condition. It molds your future. Don't just describe what is, shape what will be. Commit to this from now on. I will declare until I see. I will speak purpose. I will confess greatness. I will call out the leader within. I will match my voice to my value, because when people hear you, they won't just hear words. They'll hear destiny in motion. The spoken word is one of the most underestimated forces we possess. Everything around us was first formed by speech. Mountains, oceans, galaxies. None of it existed until it was spoken. Speech is not just for conversation. It's for creation. When you open your mouth, you trigger invisible realities. You're either building your future or tearing it down. Every word is a seed. It doesn't vanish. It plants itself in your atmosphere and waits for its season to grow. Words carry weight. They carry intention, emotion, and purpose. When you speak, you're not just venting. You're releasing creative energy. The world responds to what is said. Silence in the face of fear or confusion is dangerous. What you don't challenge with your words becomes your reality by default. Every time you speak, you authorize something. Whether that's fear or faith, bondage or freedom, is up to you. Your words must be treated like commands from royalty. Kings don't speak casually. Their words carry law. You were made in the image of such a king. Speak like it. Stop using your voice to reinforce pain. Use it to announce purpose. Too many people use their language to repeat their chains instead of calling out their change. They say things will never work, they're always tired, or nothing ever goes right. Then they wonder why life repeats that same pattern. You don't receive what you hope for. You receive what you say with conviction. Your surroundings are voice-controlled. Your relationships, your finances, your future. They're all waiting for instruction. And if your speech is silent or filled with uncertainty, you're leaving your future in the hands of whatever happened. Speak from where you're headed, not where you're stuck. Speak from your vision, not your valley. Every breakthrough began with a declaration. Freedom was declared before it was lived. Healing was spoken before it was felt. Success was claimed before it was seen. Thinking positively isn't enough if your language doesn't match. Your words power your path. What you say daily shapes what you experience regularly. You can't pray for purpose while talking failure. You can't speak lack and expect increase. Your words must be in service to your calling. Speak intentionally. Speak from belief. Speak from identity, not insecurity. What you say today builds your world tomorrow. Visibility doesn't begin your journey. Your voice does. Before anyone recognizes your identity, you must declare it. Your life takes shape when you start giving it form with your words. Identity isn't discovered accidentally. It's voiced into existence. You must speak who you are long before your circumstances agree. Think of every major figure who changed history. They spoke their identity before anyone understood them. Joseph dreamed of ruling while wearing chains. Moses didn't believe he could lead, but purpose doesn't wait for people to understand. It responds to inner certainty. You don't need anyone to clap. You need enough confidence to say it anyway, because if you stay silent, the world will assign you an identity based on your past. But the names others give are temporary. What you speak over yourself is permanent. You were created by design. Your words activate your divine makeup. When you say you're a leader, even when no one follows, you're planting truth that time will water. When you call yourself chosen, even when life rejects you, you're agreeing with heaven's perspective. Identity isn't built by external events. It's reinforced by internal confession. You have to speak until what you say becomes your reality. Speak your identity until your evidence catches up. The world doesn't define you. Your words shape your world. Your mouth is like a pen writing the pages of your future. Each phrase is a brushstroke creating the picture of your life. You don't walk into the future. You speak your way into it. Every path you travel has been paved by prior declarations. Loose language is costly. Speaking without direction keeps you lost. Emotions don't move the future. Language does. You can't say you're weak and expect strength. You can't speak defeat and expect victory. You can't declare lack and walk in abundance. What you keep saying becomes what you keep seeing. Some people feel stuck not because of obstacles, but because they haven't changed their vocabulary. They speak like victims while hoping for breakthrough. But you can't speak backward and walk forward. To change your life, your language must change first. Frame your life with intentional words. Speak direction, not distraction. Speak as though your promise is real. Your mouth is your instrument of creation. Speak strength when you feel none. Declare freedom when you feel bound. Say I am until you see I am in every part of your life. Speak your future into now. Speak until your reality aligns with your spirit. Speak when it feels hard. Speak when no one agrees. Speak until your inner world leads your outer world, because the voice you believe most is your own. And it's your voice that will shape who you become and the life you live.